We on the next one. Nappy head bull in the building. Nappy head bull in the building. We here though. I gotta hit him with this homicide gang. Side effect featuring Lil Yachty, because I didn't even. Now listen, bro. I'm sleep on the. Oh, hold on. Let me tone it down. Hope y'all boys been staying positive, healthy, ground for y'all goals, man. I love you, every single one of y'all. Click on the video and you new, man. Hit the subscribe button down below. Down below. Join the family. You know what I mean? If not, it's cool. Like, I ain't mad at you, man. I appreciate you giving it a shot. But hey, bro, we gonna get lit over here, man. That being said, now we gonna route over to the homicide gang. Side effect featuring Lil Yachty. Like, I'm trying to tell y'all boys, man. I am sleep on homicide gang. Why am I sleep on homicide gang? I don't know. I really don't know, because I like everybody who gets, who gets compared to them and they compared to. I just, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know why. I'm sleep, but I seen it and I'm like, word. And they got Lil Yachty. Probably my most listened to artist this year is Yachty. So we gonna hop right into this, Sean. I looked it up. I was like, yo, when this come out? I looked it up on the streaming services, bro, and I seen it was a whole album. Nah, bro. I clicked on the first song. They near went crazy. So I'm kind of hyped for this, bro. We gonna get into it, dog. Oh, hold on. This not good look. This not good look. I don't even think y'all boys can hear my shit though. I don't even think bulls can hear my shit though. I just did a whole reaction, and I think that John was. I think that John's so cooked. We back, y'all boys. I'm not gonna lie, I gotta start this over, cause bro, my mic, my audio interface is bugging. The whole last reaction video I recorded, the audio wasn't even working the whole time, bro. I'm cooked. I'm so cooked, y'all boys. We back though. Yeah. 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 Oh, yeah, nah, bro. This chunk is too tough. This that right. See, Bulls was hating on a whole lot of red, but I'm telling you this, when I heard a whole lot of red and I heard stuff like this, bro, this type of stuff be getting me going. This is some crazy junk, bro. This is holy. I could sit here the whole time just bob my head and not say nothing, bro. But you know what I mean? I gotta talk to y'all boys, man. I gotta pause it up. You know what I mean? Y'all, I know y'all want to hear my voice for real, like. All right. Put him in the ground, step on that boat with the clowns, big boots, yeah, we step, busy, I cut out jeans, busy, don't know that I'm swagging, having these hoes, y'all having, got out the mud, so I ain't bragging, yeah, I got it out the mud, banging that bitch out of blood, ain't no fuck with the cuz, blue shit, yeah, I spin, get it right back, I ain't tripping, play with these motherfucking discs, whole gang, yeah, we in, we get a drop and pay visits, sliding on foreign car, know that bitch tennis. Yeah. No matter what boost that I'm rocking, I'm stopping on shit, I got glitches on glitches. I'm out of my mind, I just bought a prescription. A doctor prescribing narcotics, I get on the rocking and rolling that time and I taking new diamonds away at these bitches is dripping. She licking my neck and I'm taking a Oh my god, bro is floating on this man. Bro is floating. That junk is crazy, bro. Holy. Bro going dummy. Blue shit, yeah, I spin, get it right back, I ain't tripping, play with these motherfucking discs, whole gang, yeah, we in, yeah. We get a drop and pay visits, sliding on foreign car, know that bitch tennis, no matter what boost that I'm rocking, I'm stopping on shit, I got glitches on glitches, I'm out of my mind, I just bought a prescription, a doctor prescribing narcotics, I get on the rocking and rolling that time and I taking new diamonds away at these bitches is dripping, she licking my neck and I'm taking a swimming, I'm making new money, I'm racking like tennis, off my little diamonds, they sit on my wrist, I'm rocking red bottles, got spice on my kid, I put on my Glock and I picked up a stick, rolling a hitchman, I'm smoking a dead, I tell that homicide all in my skin, homicide, stuck in their head, play with my twin and we cut off your head, what the niggas said, they ain't talking my shit. shit. Check out my bitch.
Oh my goodness. Bro went dummy. Tell him. Okay. 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 Okay.
Rockstar, bitch, rockstar way. Jimmy hit the race, rockstar way. Jimmy hit the race, rockstar way. Purple rain, pour in my cup every day. Run my boys every day.
Yeah.
Play that big, get that smoke.
Okay.
A5 yellow every toe. Put him in the ground.
Bitch, I'm that nigga in town. Sipping on red is brown.
Yeah.
Last nigga play not found.
Yeah.
Play me a bitch like a clown.
Yeah.
What the fuck they wanna get down? Cut the head and bring it to me. Fuck a dollar, I'm double OG. Rich or not, these bitches is free. CIP, Lil Reese, my 20. From the block like Jenny, get busy.
Yeah.
For X, cut around, I'm Disney. Send a shot in the air like a frisbee. My dog get locked up for attempting.
Damn.
I heard that they rich is Ozempic.
Oh my gosh, why we talking about Ozempic, bro? Oh my gosh, bro. The Drake Kendrick beef got bulls talking about Ozempic like it's it's not even the cat's out the bag on some of these bulls, man. I heard what's that even say? And I heard that they rich as Ozempic. What? What? I'm so sleep on that bar. What's he mean? Open and shut the air like a frisbee. Okay. Damn. Nah, bro, this bull floating. Besides the bar that obviously just shit be going over my head and shit. Y'all know shit be going over my head for real. You know what I mean? Shit be going over my head, tight shit. But nah, they all slide on this. Shit junk is crazy.
For chunk change, I'll swap out the blick like gun game.
Like gun game. Hey.
My dog like duck go insane.
Yep.
Hands on my chain, my neck, my watch, my wrist, my teeth, my ears.
Yeah.
These niggas going broke, I fear. It's us.
Check out my beat. Rockstar my beat.
Oh my
Barely shit.
goodness.
Come out that tree.
Tell him.
Rest on my gal on my wrist. Go on my bed, the whole sticks. Go on my bed, the whole cash. Put in that beat right to blast. Rockstar, bitch, rockstar way. Jimmy hit the race, rockstar way. Jimmy hit the race, rockstar way. Purple rain, pour in my cup every day.
I don't even know the words, but I'm getting hyped.
Boys every day. Play that big, get that smoke. A5 yellow every toe. Put him in the ground.
Put him in the ground. I've been going stupid. Hit this is mad cause I'm stepping in town. I don't know. Hold on. Put him in the ground. Hitters don't know what they know. They know that I leave. When I'm around, hitters get down. Damn. Shots going crazy, huh? Better lay on the ground. Hold on. I'm kind of tough. Like, they should just put me in that joint. No, I'm playing with y'all boys. Yo, bruh. Yo, we had technical difficulties, though. We had technical difficulties in the beginning, like. So that song kind of what I needed after the technical difficulties for real, like, real talk. You know what I mean? This is why I'm telling you, bro. This is why we gonna get right. I'm gonna start streaming. I'm gonna be hanging with y'all on streaming. Y'all gonna tell me, hey, bro, we can't even hear that joint, and then we gonna be good. But right now, I gotta figure it out on my own. And that joint, like, damn, killed the vibe, bro. You know what I mean? Real talk, like. I did a whole nother reaction before this. I wanted to get two out to you. I hope I can go find, you know what I mean? I got stuff I got to do still around the crib. Like, I'm hoping the next one I react to, you know what I mean, is a good reaction for y'all boys. And we can get right. Y'all can get two of them. But, you know what I mean, it don't matter, man. I love y'all boys. You know what I mean? If you're new, hit the subscribe button. If not, it's cool. Thanks for giving this shot. You know what I mean? Stay positive, healthy, ground for y'all goals, man. As usual, bro. Don't let nobody tell you you can't do it. And I'll see y'all boys in the next one, man. Peace.